car like Cooky car wash, whoa, 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 whoa. Watch that car wherever we go. The seat goes high, the seat goes low. With a car like Cooky car wash, it's a car like Cooky car wash. We got a car like Cooky car wash.
What's going, guys? It's Kyle, and today we're gonna so I don't get attacked, I'm going to film it from here. But if you look in there, we've got a lady Seagull right there inside the Morrisons car wash. That I have. It looks like it's trying to pick something from there. What does everybody think of that? That's something I've never seen before. A seagull inside a car wash. It's lucky it's not one of those automatic car washes. I like it. Basically, it's an automatic car wash when the wash is starting. But what I mean is one of those car washes that randomly spray and spin when the wash isn't in action. I know there's some car washes that do that, where it'll spray some water out, then these brushes will spin a bit like an attraction or to get the wash clean or something. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go in the petrol station and let them know, because I don't want any random cars going through and it getting hurt. So I'm gonna end this vid now. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future. Oh, is it coming out now? Well, if it comes out, then I won't let them know. But yeah, I think it's best I go and let them know. So then, if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future wash 10, and until next time, scrub out.
It's the car like Cooky car wash.